Love.
Being a nation.
Being a baby. Being a colored.
Kaya. Nongoma. Do you remember Nongoma anything? Just saying.
Nam nawe dali.
What did it mean? Anything?
Nam nawe dali.
Didn't forget. It's mine.
I'm done.
Yeah.
How about you like that?
Imagine me introducing you.
I would never do that to you. Why? Why would I do that? I wouldn't. I'll be so covered up. Your mom will ask, where's these tattoos?
No, you don't have to do
I
this.
will cover it up.
Just as long as I have them right now, so.
No, but just the respect.
Like,
I wouldn't even wear a short thing.
See my coatie. Wow.
I wouldn't even wear a short thing to your house. Never.
I don't know. I don't care what you wear, but don't do this. Yeah. That's too much. That's too much, sweetheart.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Don't worry about
it's that splat.
The split. Now I have
Still a little bit onion, but it's fine.
I should add banana.
Almonds, don't do that. Why would you do that?
You know what I'm gonna do? After this, I ate a lot of banana. Wow. I want to see what's gonna happen.
With what?
When you eat banana.
Nothing will happen. I don't want it. I don't like it.
See, today I ate onion. I don't like onion.
Yo, baby.
We are not. Oh, no, Mira. Hey, Mira.
Fire. I'm still looking where you're throwing it.
Yo, yesterday
You caught it in time, ne?
Caught it in time.
But did you dream last night?
Yeah, I dream nice.
You dream nice?
Yeah.
That's good.
Because I made sure that I cut that shit out. I couldn't.
I went to go fetch it. When you trying to go fetch it, I put it under your mattress.
Oh, it makes sense when I just woke up and take everything under my mattress and I put it back there.
Oh, okay.
But so you know, I'm the one who was like.